What's up guys, welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Genesis GV70 2.5T Sport Prestige. So I haven't been in a GV70 in a while, especially the 2026 model. So I'm very impressed with this interior. These newer Genesis interiors have been fantastic, and the Sport Prestige has a really nice steering wheel. Very nice steering wheel. I love the Genesis logo and the orange stitching. You have a nice center display. You have ventilated seats, heated seats, which is awesome. And heated steering wheel. That's impressive. You have this nice crystal gear shifter that you have in Genesis models. 360 view camera. You have this center dial, which you can use to control the screen as well if you don't want to use the touchscreen. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. And nice leather touches everywhere. You have orange seat belts. You have a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, panoramic sunroof. Seats are sporty but comfortable at the same time. This is a very premium interior from Genesis, that's for sure. I'm very impressed with this interior. You have a wireless charging tray. I really love the placement of that wireless charging tray as well. Center console is a little bit small, but you can fit most items in there, which you probably want to put in there. Genesis key. Well, let's walk around this Genesis GV70 Sport Prestige, and then we'll go for a drive. You have a white exterior on this one. The Sport Prestige will give you these performance Genesis calipers with nice looking wheels. Nice grille, LED headlights. Here are the rear seats. It's a blue interior, and you guys know I love blue interiors. 4-wheel drive badge on the back. Here's the trunk. You also have the cargo cover and a Genesis first aid kit in the back. So 2026 GV80 2.5T Sport Prestige. 62,970 total price, 22 miles per gallon, 20 city, 26 highway, and 8-speed automatic transmission with this 2.5 liter inline turbo 4-cylinder GDI. Let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. Trying to see how we can change the drive mode in this thing. There's just so much to look at in here. Terrain mode. Interesting. And I love the turn signal cameras in these Genesis cars. Decent acceleration. Man, do I love the steering wheel. It looks so good. It's a very attractive steering wheel. Cornering is decent as well. The steering has a nice weight to it. I mean, it is a small SUV, so you would hope that it has that. And I love how the turn signal stock has a nice weight to it as well. It's nice and heavy. And the paddle shifters are also metal or very high quality plastic. Actually, they feel nice. The ride height in this vehicle is comfortable. Visibility is good as well. U-turn. Nice turning radius. The ride overall feels smooth and comfortable, and the cabins is just a very nice place to spend time. I just love all the materials in here. So I mean, if you're looking for a premium feeling mid-size or small SUV which looks stylish and has a decent driving experience, the Genesis GV70 should definitely be on your list, because it is very impressive in terms of build quality and all that, and materials. Like, this steering wheel is my favorite part of the whole car. I just love it. It's thick, it looks fantastic, the Genesis logo is just beautiful. It's just really, really nice overall, you know? But anyways, let's just take a look at the infotainment system real quick before we end the video today. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. You also have a map, built-in map. But yeah, very nice Genesis right here. Small SUV that is stylish, has a good drive and great features, and a really nice sound system, and just a good overall package right here. But thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to stay tuned for all the other videos coming out very soon.